Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is my Advent Calendar series. This is day 10. We're going to start with the Space NK, and day 10 is, I don't see it. Here it is. Now when I take that out, they're all going to drop. So it says, all hail the seasonal skin savior, okay? So let's see what this is. Oops, it's a little banged up. The box is a little banged up. Let me put this back in here if I can. Ouch, maybe not. Let me just take it all down. Okay, this was open a little bit. Naturium niacinamide serum, 12% plus zinc at 2%. So that's what this is. It is formulated with niacinamide, vitamin B3, and zinc. The soothing serum works to balance excess oil, refine, and purify. So this is something that I wouldn't use. And let's take it out of the box and look at it. Oh, it's very pretty. Very pretty bottle. This feels, it's glass. This is a glass bottle. Very beautiful packaging. I love that kind of a pump. Very pretty. I bet that's an expensive product. So that is from Space NK. And then we have the Ipsy calendar. Let me move this a little bit. I'm having a little trouble with my stand. Here is the Ipsy calendar, and let's see. 10 is way over here. Whoops. Nice screen. This is very lightweight feeling. Something itty bitty in there. Okay. This is the Aveda Botanical Repair Bond Building Styling Cream. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna have to go check it out, y'all. I've had this before. Aveda is wonderful hair care, Botanical Repair Bond Building Styling Cream. I'm sure that it is sealed. Oh my goodness, it's not sealed. So I will use it right away. It smells like essential oils. I will use this right away. It's a styling cream. So interesting that it's not sealed. Anyway, so that is what I got in the 2 Advent calendars today. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. There's 10. And there is the product. And here is the Ipsy product.